In today's video, I'll be guiding you through an ultimate trendline trading strategy. So the first question is, what is a trend line? A trend line is simply a line that is connecting the lower highs in a given chart, or the line that is connecting the higher lows in an upward trend. So let's explain this using AUD card chart. This is an obvious upward trend. And in this upward trend, we can see swing low. This is a higher low. This is another higher low. This is another higher low. So I want to connect these higher lows. So I'll pick my line and I'll connect them. So this is my trend line. So we can see very clearly from this chart that price was rejected at this resistance. And there was a bearish engulfing candle that formed here. And now price closed below the trend line. Now, somebody may be thinking that this will be the best time to sell. No, this will not be the best time to sell. This is where the strategy comes in. Once you identify a certain trend, like in this case, it was an upward trend, and you've drawn your trend line, the next thing you wait is to see how price reacts around the trend line. In this case, we can see that the price have broken the trend line. We are seeing a demand zone here. This is a demand zone. At this zone, price is going to struggle with moving down. So the strategy is, once a trend line is broken, wait for the retest. We call it break and retest strategy. At any point where this price goes back to the trend line and retests it, then you can place your trade and put your stop above the previous high, and then join the price to the new low, which will be around here. So the strategy once again is, once a trend line is broken, like in this case it's been broken here, wait for price to retest this trend line somewhere here. Then that will be a confirmation if the trend line resists the price to now go down with it. This is called break and retest strategy. Do this and you will make a lot of money. So if you got value from this video, kindly like, share, and hit the subscribe button so that other people will also get the same value. And if you've traded this strategy before, or if you tried out this strategy and it works for you, kindly comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Ensure you watch my other videos.